Plateau. American Indians of the Plateau. The Plateau cultural region lay between the Cascade and the Rocky Mountains. This region included parts of what is now the northwestern states and British Columbia. It has flat lands, rolling hills, and gorges. Summers are hot and winters are very cold. Like the Southwest, rainfall is light, but the Plateau region gets water from the large Columbia and Fraser rivers, which are fed by rainfall and melted snow in the mountains. Many tribes, such as the Nez Perce, Spokanes, and Yakimas, now called Yakumas, lived here. Various types of plants and animals survived on the plateau. Forests grew near the mountains. Other areas had only thick grasses, berries, or camas, a type of lily. The camas root was an important food source for people on the plateau. Some deer and bear roamed the forest, jackrabbits lived in drier sections, and fish filled the rivers. Yakima artifacts show the culture that developed as people adapted to the harsh climate and available resources. For instance, the Yakumas built their winter homes partly underground to escape from the cold. Each home was a circular hole, 3 to 6 feet deep, with a grass mat roof. To help heat inside, the Yakumas covered the mat with earth. The Yakima women wove local grasses into clothing such as basket hats. These hats were cone-shaped but flat on top. The women decorated them with designs. To harvest foods such as camas and other roots, the Yakumas developed a digging stick. They used a hardwood stick that was curved and pointed at one end and attached a short handle of animal horn or bone on the other end. The women pushed a digging stick under a root and then lifted it out of the ground.